Hello, from to chapter 5 video number 1 new chapter. How are you? OK， 有没有发现到什么东西不一样呢？头发，我的头发 N 到，对不对？自己剪的，有没有兴趣知道我怎样剪头发呢 ？Next， beside my hair， 除了头发以外 ，start from this video， 从这个 video 开始 ，our sound will be louder， 我们的声音比较大声了。Okay, beside the sound become loud, the hissing sound. 上次的 video 你会听到一种不停的的声音，对不对？嘈杂声。Start from this video onward， 从这个 video 开始 ，all the sound will be disappear， 那些杂音全部不见，只有一片安静。Okay, so 我们又进步了，只是我们不能出门罢了，对吗 ？Okay.Start now, Chapter 5 Water and Solutions 水 OK, water 就是水 Solution, what's mean by solution? Something dissolved in water 某东西溶解在水 It will become solution 就变成了溶液啦 So solution 就叫溶液 OK, so now we start our first title 新的一个 title The physical characteristic of water 水的特征 But what's mean by physical properties? 什么叫 physical? Physical mean non-chemical 不是它的化学特征只要不是化学就叫物理 OK? So physical 就是不是化学的特征水的不是化学的特征 So where are you? 你在哪里呢 You'll be on your notes page number 1 你会在你的 notes 的第一面 And now I'm using my notes that is bigger Okay, so follow the number 跟着 number 慢慢把答案抄下去 Okay, or if you're not having the notes you print 啦你慢慢印然后你的 printer 要小心啦对不起Okay, so physical properties of water. Number 1, 水的第一个特征 Water is colorless. 水是没有颜色的，无色。So 什么颜色叫没有颜色呢？水的颜色就叫 colorless， 就叫没有颜色。Odorless. When you drink water, you smell the water. It must be some smell, 对不对？一定有一种味道在里面。So 什么叫没有味道？没有味道的味道就是水的味道啦。Odorless, okay, and tasteless. 什么叫没有味道 ？Tasteless in Chinese 也是没有味道，对不对 ？OK， 你吃东西的时候有一种味道，你喝水的时候水有一种味道，那种味道就叫没有味道了。Okay, so water is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Okay, number 1抄在1号那边 ，page number 1第一面。Number 2第二。The physical stage of the water changes when the heat absorbs or releases. When water absorbs the heat or releases the heat, 当水吸着、放着过后 okay, the physical stage of the water will be changed. 它的形態就會改變 Okay, but how they change? 它怎樣改變呢 Okay, so now from page number 1, we turn to page number 2. We discuss this number 2 sentence number 2 in detail. 我们把这个第二句呢讲得更清楚。So page number 2, okay? You just look at me for 1 minute, 你看我1分鐘就可以了 okay? So they say this is the ice, 这个就叫冰块 with the ice particle, 还有那个水的几粒，对不对 So when water is in the form called ice or in solid, the heat energy is less, 它的热能比较少 So they cannot move fast, 它不能动快，它一直在震动 And now you remove the ice from the freezer, 从冰橱你把冰块拿出来 The water particle, 水的几粒，它收到热能 So they move faster and faster, they move further and faster So heat energy, 热能就代表着动能嘛 So in outside the refrigerator, what happened to the water particle? They receive the heat energy, 它收到热能 They move faster and further, they move faster and further And finally they melt, 它开始溶掉 become water So this is what we call a water particle Okay, they never stop, always moving, 永遠都在搖着 They collide with one another, 互相相撞，没有停下来的一天 Okay, and now they say you heat the water, the heat is here 你的 Bunsen burner 在这边 This is a Bunsen burner So now you heat the water particle receive more heat energy 它收到更多的热能 70 degrees Celsius 80 degrees Celsius 100 degrees Celsius They move further and further and finally they start to boil or maybe they start to evaporate, become water vapor， 变成了水蒸气，对不对？Okay, so the water changing the stage， 水呢改变形态 ，actually is because of what? Heat energy， 就是热能的差别了。Okay, so water when solid change to liquid， 当水从固体变成液体 ，we call this as melting process， 这个过程就叫 melting process。And during the melting process, heat energy is absorbed， 热能被吸收。Heat energy is absorbed， 热能被吸收。Okay。So it become liquid, and now when the liquid become gas， 当液体变成气体，然后 what is the process? They having to process 有两个过程 ，evaporations and also boiling process 蒸发还有沸腾。Okay。And next, when the water vapor cool down， 当它冷的时候 ，during the midnight， 在半夜它冷的时候 ，it does our car 动到我们的冷的车的表面 ，the heat energy is lost， 热能不见去 ，so the water vapor condense 它凝聚 ，and become liquid 它凝聚变成了液体。Okay。And now the liquid you put into the freezer， 你把它放在那个冰箱里面 ，and what happened to the water liquid particle？ 水的几粒几粒怎么办呢 ？The heat energy is lost again， so finally it will freeze， 它凝固 ，and become the ice， 变成了冰块。And sometimes when you take up the ice from the freezer, you can see the ice actually beside melt， 除了溶解以外it can become a lot of gas， 它有一种白色的烟呢跑掉，对不对？Or this is water vapor. So water actually it can change from solid directly become the gas， 它可以从固体 directly become the gas， and the process is called what？ 这个过程叫什么名字呢？Sublimation， 升华 sublimation。So from solid become gas， 从固体变成气体 ，without going through the liquid stage， 没有经过液体的形态 ，we call sublimation， 就叫 sublimation。And when gas change to liquid， 如果气体直接变回固体呢？什么时候 ？During the cool day， 很冷的每一天 ，OK， 有一天呢。Or when the water vapor rise very high, go to the upper part of the atmosphere， 它来到我们大气层的很上面，the temperature is -50， 零下58， 零下50。So water vapor suddenly lost the heat energy, they join together。它的热能突然间不见，它凝固，它粘在一起变成了固体。So what is the process？ 固体变气体叫 sublimation。Gas change to liquid， 气体变回固体叫什么呢 ？Sublimation， 对不对？不是 ，OK，we call it the same， 也叫做 sublimation， 也称为 sublimations。OK，so this is a changes of the stage, physical stage of the water 啦，水的形态的改变。OK。So this is page number 2, and you go back to page number 1. 你要回去第3了。Okay, copy.The boiling point of water actually is 100， 水的沸点是100 ，so water boil at 100 degrees Celsius， 它100度的时候就滚。And you understand 啊？你明白对不对 ？Number 4， the freezing point is 0。freezing point of water, pure water， 纯正的水，它的冰点就是0度 ，0 degrees Celsius。And you understand？ 你绝对明白。Okay, next。Okay, we look at the question. 8写，我们看看这一题8写。每次叫人家回答10个问9个错了。OK, BMR 99， 当时叫 BMR， 过后变 BT3。OK. Now having a beaker, okay, together with the distilled water 50 ml in size. So what is the total mass between the distilled water and beaker? 请问这个 beaker 跟这边的蒸馏水50 ml 的蒸馏水的 total mass is how much？ 它总共的质量是多少呢？ You choose A, B, C, D. Don't tell me answer， 不要告诉我答案，你自己选 A, B, C, D。好了没有 ？So remember answer， 记得你的答案。OK，10个问9个错。And the next year， 在下一年他问一样的问题 ，but the diagram changed， 他的问题改变了。OK，so what is the volume of the water in the beaker？ OK，so now we are having a beaker 100 grams and I put some distilled water inside， 里面呢放了一些蒸馏水。OK，so how much is the volume of the distilled water inside？ 请问这一杯蒸馏水的体积到底是多少呢 ？OK，you choose your answer again， 再一次选你的答案 A, B, C, D。Don't tell me answer because 我听不到。好了没有 ？OK， And now your answer correct or not? 你的答案对不对？我不知道。Okay? So correct or not depends you understand or not 就看你明白不明白。Okay? So number 5， 第五句，水的另外一个特征 ，The density of the pure water is 1 gram per cubic cm。水的密度 ，pure water 纯正的水的密度就是1 gram per cubic cm， 什么意思呢 ？So in 1 ml， 在1 ml 的水。Or in 1 cubic cm of water， 在1 cm 的水里面 ，it has a mass of 1 grams， 它的质量就等于1 gram。So 这样大力的水1 cm or 1 ml， it having the mass 1 gram 呢，它的质量就等于1 gram。OK， so 记得这一句话 ，the density of pure water is 1 gram per cubic cm， 就是1 gram per cubic cm。And now these two questions should be settled easily 了，这两题应该很快就做完了，而且很容易。So what is the total mass between the beaker and also the water? So the beaker 150 gram， 这个叫质量。OK， 质量一定是 gram 嘛。OK， distilled water 50 ml，50 ml actually 是这个叫体积哦。But I know 从刚才的第5句啊 ，the density 1 gram per cubic cm， 1 ml 就是1 gram，50 ml how many gram？ 50 gram 就是50 gram 呢。So how much is the total mass？ 它总共的质量是多少呢 ？Answer is A， 答案就是 A。下一题。Okay, what is the volume of water in the beaker? So the total mass is 150, beaker is 100. The water inside must be 50 gram, 对不对 ？But 50 gram of water occupy how many space? How much of space? 它占领多少的空间呢？1 gram 1 ml, 50 gram 50 ml 啦。So answer is C, 50 ml. Any problem? No, 没有。Very good. Number 6. Surface tensions. Water having a high surface tensions, or what is mean by surface tension? 表面张力。Okay, 0.074 Newton per meter. Or what is mean by surface tension? 什么叫 surface tension? 表面张力呢？不知道。Okay, maybe turn to page number 2. 转去第二面，我们特写这个字 surface tension， 水的表面张力。So water has a high surface tension. 水的表面张力非常高。Or what is mean by surface tensions? Surface tensions, okay, is a result of cohesive force between the molecule of water at the surface. Okay, 什么叫 surface tension? It's a result of cohesive force. 什么叫 cohesive force? 粘力。结合力 between the molecule of water at the surface. So water molecule H2O 水的分子它喜欢粘在一起，因为它粘在一起啊，它有一股表面张力了。So 这股粘力就叫做表面张力 ，and the surface tension actually is quite high。其实它的表面张力呢有一点高的，它的粘在一起的时候呢，就造成了这种现象了。Okay, that allow the insect that daily long legs to stay afloat on the water. So 因为它有表面张力，也就是它的水的分子喜欢粘在一起，好像一条布这样子粘在一起。Okay. And now, because of the surface tension, some of the insect 有一些昆虫啊 ，like lady long leg 就好像 lady long leg，how to call it 水蚊子啊 ，OK， to stay afloat on water， 造成某些昆虫可以浮在水的表面上，没有沉下去。OK， some of the human 有些人呢，可能飞过水，好像蜻蜓啊，点水跳过去，武侠片啊，骗人的啦，你不要回家跳啊。OK， 所以这种叫 surface tension， 水的粘力造成的一种表面张力，造成有些东西能浮在表面，不能沉下去了。OK，but if you want to sink this， 如果你要给它沉下去呢，我想到一个方法 ，but I never try， 我从来没有试试看。OK， you add some soap inside， 你把一些肥皂丢在你的水里面，看它会沉下去吗？因为传说中不是传说了，丢里真的啦哈。soap 肥皂它会减少水的表面张力，造成水呢不能粘在一起了。所以当你把肥皂水倒进去了，看它会不会沉下去，你自己 try 啊，没有空。OK， 我要录影拍戏 ，OK， 教你补习，这种叫 surface tension。Okay, still page number 2. And now we talk about this. 我们在讲这一句话非常好用 otherwise you cannot understand. Cohesive. Okay, for water molecule, it contains two types of force. 它有两种的力量呢。第一种叫 cohesions. So what is mean by cohesions? Copy first. 刚才你写的啦，黏力对不对 ？The force that hold the water molecule together， 它就是一种拉力来的。It hold the water molecule together， 它把水的分子跟水的分子呢拉在一起，所以这种力呢就叫 cohesion。Adhesion， 什么叫 adhesions？Water molecule stick to the certain surface， 水的分子呢喜欢粘在别的表面上。OK， 那 water molecule stick together， 这种叫 cohesions。Water molecule stick to the surface， 它喜欢粘在别的东西的表面上，这种情况就叫 adhesions。Cohesion，adhesion， 明白吗？水的分子的一种拉力，两种拉力。Cohesion 分子之间 ，adhesion 分子跟其他的表面之间。OK，you look at your mineral water bottle， 你看你的矿泉水的罐 ，a lot of water vapor or water droplets stick on the wall， 它粘在墙壁上没有掉下来，对不对？变成一粒粒很美的小水点，所以这种叫 adhesion。But sometimes 你如果有注意小水点 ，using the magnifying glass， 你用放大镜注意看 ，the water molecule, the water droplets, they like to move slowly, and finally attract together， 粘在一起。这种情况就叫什么呢？就叫 cohesion 啊。OK， 我很喜欢看它水粘在一起的 cohesions。OK，so 再来看这个图片。Water and water molecule join together, attracted together， 这种情况叫 cohesion。Water molecule like to stick on other surface， 它喜欢粘在别的表面上，这种情况 we call adhesion。Okay， so go back to the page number 1， 回去你的第一面。Capillary actions. So water actually can show capillary action. 水呢，它还有一种情况，一种现象呢，就叫 capillary actions. Or what is mean by capillary action? 什么叫 capillary action? 我要随便讲也可以了，要好好讲也可以了。OK， 什么叫 capillary actions? So one day they say, for example, this is a tree， 一棵很大棵的树。And you are here， 你在这边呢，很矮的一个人呢。So sometimes you maybe just think yourself， 你自己想啊 ，how the water move up the tree， 水到底怎样从树下慢慢的被吸上去 ，and go to the leaf of the plants， 然后跑去它的叶子 ，for it to having the process called photosynthesis，and the tree it may be having the height 30 meter。这棵树可能它的高度30米。So how the water move up？ 水的分子这样子慢慢的流上去，流到它叶子上面去呢？谁把它拉上去的呢？这种现象呢就叫 capillary action。So what's mean by capillary action? Don't copy anything， 什么都不要抄，自己明白就可以了。你看 ，OK。Capillary action start now. So every day, plant having the process called transpirations. 每一天植物都进行了一个过程，就叫 transpirations. OK， 也叫蒸腾了。And during the transpirations, the water will be released. The water will be evaporated through the stomach of the leaf. 就用叶子表面上的气孔呢蒸发掉。But now they say the water molecule released from the leaf， 水的分子跑出来了。But because of the cohesions， 因为这边有 cohesion 的关系，对不对？水粘在一起，我跑出来，我顺便拉你出来。OK， 我跑出来，我被人家拉的，我也拉你出来。这种情况就叫 cohesion。And now at the same time, when the water molecule pull one by one， 它一个一个慢慢拉的时候 ，water molecule actually stick on the surface， 它粘在植物的血脉的表面上了。OK，adhesion 这种情况叫 adhesion。那边有人拉我，哎呀，我拉着墙壁；有人在拉我，哎呀，我又拉着墙壁，一直慢慢的，一步的走上去。So the whole process， 这整个过程呢，就叫 capillary action， 毛细作用，水拉水，变成一条没有间断、没有中间断掉的一条液体被丢出去了。So copy on your page number 2， 要抄的啦，谁讲不要抄 ？OK， 来 start。So capillary action refer to the chemical force that move the water as a continuous fluid。它就是一种拉力，就是把水拉在一起的一种力量，不会断气。Rather than as individual molecule， 它不是一粒分开的，它是全部粘在一起，变成一条东西这样子流过去的。所以这种现象叫 capillary action， 也就是 page number 1的第7个特征 capillary actions。OK， settle。Oh, now, sometimes when you go to the shop, you can see some of the flower green, some of the flower red colors. 为什么它的叶子会变红色呢 ？Simple 啦。So the water evaporate from the leaf， 水呢从叶子呢上面蒸发掉。And because of they release the water, they will absorb the water through transpiration. So 水就慢慢的用毛细作用啦 capillary action 流上来 and changing the color. So all this is just because of the transpiration 的 pull 蒸腾的一种拉力，也叫 capillary action 呢，也就是我们的第7个特征。Okay, so this is our first title， 也就是第一面跟第二面呢。The physical properties of water. So that's all for this video. Bye bye.